So here's the deal. As we check the skies, there are a little bit of cloud cover out there right now. It was actually a few flakes floating by west of the city. Not in the city, mostly cloudy and 33. Winds out of the northwest at 13. Yesterday, yesterday had its moments. In and out of the stores, in and out with the dogs. When you weren't in the wind, it kind of felt okay. 41 in Montauk, 42 in Islip, 43 in Belmar. It was colder in Newburgh, usually is, 37 in Poughkeepsie and Sussex, too. In and around town, again, you walk out of the CBS Broadcast Center between 10th and 11th on 57th. You catch that wind, you feel it, then you make the turn, and it was okay at 41, 42 in Teterboro and Newark. JFK was right at 40. One thing I've been appreciating because we need to bank these dry days, 9 dry days in a row. This could be number 10 before we see the return of a more active pattern starting Thursday. It hasn't been this dry for this long since September of 2017. So hopefully that will help. Now, the concern is tomorrow morning it's slippery with some snow and mixing. And then Friday into Saturday, it's wet. And I mean wet. So parts of the area, you've got real estate that's just not going to take moisture. So there will be some issues with a little bit of localized flooding with this event coming in starting Friday night into Saturday. It's a different dynamic when the ground can't take the water. Bright and brisk today. Tomorrow, there's a weak low. See how it almost disappeared off the map? But it's a pesky mix where you see snow north and west, maybe an inch or so, and then it starts to mix in the city. But the city will see some snow give way to rain, and then there's a surge out of the south. So Friday, temps are going to bump, but by Friday night, it turns wet, and it's a wet Saturday. So we're just loading up. The GFS doesn't crank out much for this event. This is the snow event, Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon. But the RPM is actually putting out more than an inch north and west. So that's for the Thursday snow, and then it's a different story. Liquid equivalents will be greater Friday into Saturday. Boy, very technical this morning. What's going on, Jenna?